Oh damn! Look at us.
Very up close.
That shit's
We
sexy.
actually watched the ending, or they changed the ending.
I'm hungry.
He's got very unique eyes.
Yeah,
He keeps eating bread.
me right now.
You're right.
He had to actually drink gas to the chainsaw.
Yeah. I like that.
I expect yes.
Yes.
What? Well, you can't say no.
Damn.
Oh,
All right, that's the
You're just somebody else's dog.
That's how this relationship is gonna
dog
go.
and master.
Wow.
You are her bitch. Yeah.
Oh.
Nigga.
Damn.
Maybe he is good.
No, he's dead, bro. I mean, he's infused with him, but he's dead. You feel me?
I thought he just
You're a
fused.
Pochita now.
That's the type of
Yeah,
shorty
you're
I
in
know.
my
Oh
care.
yeah, but treat you like a dog. Oh.
He's about to buy the entire fucking
She's so nice to him.
Him and Pat only ones that
Don't puff it or anything.
Shut up.
Keep it in your pants.
Yes.
Well, okay.
I'll even howl
You
for you.
just-
The squad dynamic, it's just perfect.
Yeah,
Yep. And
he's blushing. Look at him.
I'll take that too.
I
My
like.
boy
You know
is
what? I like.
exhausted, B.
I'm throwing it out there. I feel creeped out by her, but I also like. Is it fake?
okay.
What?
Damn, for
That
real?
makes sense. So he's losing blood at
It cuts him up so he actually loses
Yes, I
that
was like
blood.
low on blood. I forgot they drink blood.
Oh my god.
No. He lives in you, Simba.
And Post is dead?
That's the
R.I.P. B.
realest companion I've ever seen.
Historical perspective.
Okay.
Dang. Okay.
It's like, whatever happened to you, I never heard of this shit.
He has it coming out of his chest.
Ah.
All right.
Okay.
Tanjiro with the smoke.
Oh.
Dog too.
He's alive inside
I think I
you.
put something
The
together.
literal sense.
Like, he's literally alive in there.
Okay.
Oh.
Literally alive.
Yeah.
We didn't give this dude
Still
a blood
on.
transfusion or something, yo.
I wonder how that's gonna work.
Hello.
Got lap pillow already.
Yep.
You made sure you were correct.
I smell it. Oh.
There you go, my boy. You udon with your
It's gonna be
sausage.
gone in 3.2 seconds.
You got a
Sorry,
bev?
he looks so little.
Wow, he's asking permission for a
Yeah.
lot. Yeah.
He's so polite.
And she's like,
No
why
problem.
would you ask about that? Like, you can
But
eat
if
it,
you
right?
want to.
Feed me, baby.
Oh
Catches
my
on
god,
quick.
Denji, you're brilliant.
Oh no, no, no.
Oh yeah, he was probably sleeping for a while.
Bro, he never had nobody really treat him any. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Like,
finally, yeah.
To treat him good.
The whole thing is
Father died young, and then he's been killing devils for a living.
It's not wasting any time.
Whatever type she says he's on.
An obedient one.
It's me. But that dog in it, bro.
She feed it right into him, bro. That's me.
Wait.
Oh, shit.
Dude, that's me, yeah.
Wait, episode 2 and we're already. Hold on, hold on.
Leading him on. Like,
Just open, honest, adult expression of interest.
I'll
What?
make you fall in love with me, get it factuated.
He's like replaying it. Replaying it.
Udon might not be the only thing you're eating soon.
Where'd she go?
She talks to him like a dog too.
Oh, I
Looks
Oh,
like
they got a full-blown
it's like just
headquarters.
a real place. This looks so good.
There's
An
a
actual
real division.
professional place of business.
No, I was meaning the art as
Oh,
well.
sure, yeah.
Okay. A lot of
I was just looking at the big ass Kingdom Hearts shoe.
a lot of them. Okay.
Still on that.
My boy's trying to get
That's
that.
good logic. We get together.
My man is down bad.
You know what? I want to get with her real bad.
Chainsaw the pussy. He's never like been around a girl.
Yeah. So now we get
So-
actual
And this is his
actual
dream
clothes
figure.
on. I need you to give me back my my coat. You know.
How do I do this?
Hey,
All right.
Oh, he got a sword. All right.
Aki.
Aki. Whoa, I thought I was gonna shout at you.
Yeah.
Nah, don't touch
But-
that right
Dang, that art. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Get off of me.
It's really like a dog too, and a dog gets separated from his owner.
Bruh.
She's loving that
Tell
shit.
me what that
Oh, he's
picture was in the background.
Someday. Oh, man. She's good.
God.
Like a good dog.
She's fascinating.
What a must.
She knows exactly what to say to this guy, bro. Yeah, come on, say the first time.
You remind me
Getting that animation just for tying a tie.
Yep.
Yeah, I actually don't think she's playing him.
I think he's a loyal doggy.
I think he's yeah.
I sure do.
I'm gone,
That'll
man.
be different
Solid
for us
gone.
when we
I just don't think that when this world is, there's
Nothing
no,
else
there's
on
none of that.
Like, what a dumb question.
Like,
This guy's
no,
clearly
the
new.
hunter- the hunter didn't really relate.
He's like,
I
bruh.
remember when.
Yeah, I
was
remember
like
when
you.
Makima strung me along too and made me think I had a chance. Oh, yeah.
Bro,
Knock
we
some
just
sense
met
into
each
him.
other, Aki. Why like Aki? What the hell?
Welcome to the mafia,
Miss
bitch.
Makima?
Okay.
Nah.
You must
Is that
be
why he's doing
offended.
it?
Yeah, it must be that he's offended by the fact that he's talking about Miss Makina like that. She must be like a high person within the department.
All right. Whoa.
Okay.
Damn.
All right.
Why? Yeah, why?
He's that guy that you shadow. We're like, hey, bro, you're not gonna like it here.
Okay.
In
Oh,
3
okay.
years, he's saying
He's
that.
actually kind of looking off of him.
What's your motivation? I want to get in her pants, man. Yep.
Remember I said,
Yep.
I was like, yo,
Bing ding. Bing bong.
Damn, bitch.
Damn.
Wow.
I'm gonna beat your ass and I'm having sex with Miss
All right.
Makina and
I'm
work.
following.
nah, he's gonna hit him.
He's that type.
Yeah, but he wasted a cigarette on him just to make a point there.
Let's go.
Oh!
Man, it's a second cigarette. Man, they have to fight.
Pest. You really are a nice guy. Maybe you're not cut out for this job.
Hell yeah! Cross my god, bitch! I destroy your testicles.
He's smart for that. He's I'm gonna beat you up every day, so he's letting him know, yo, you nice, you're not really that nice.
Yeah.
I will stop that fight.
Exactly. And I fight
I got
dead,
to.
yeah.
I can fight God himself. Yeah.
He's building up to the parts of getting to like wrestling
Right.
moves and everything. Like,
He is so desperate that
He's like, yo, people just tried to kill me. I literally just died and came back to life. Who the fuck are you?
because he's so desperate. He has nothing else. Exactly. What's he gonna do?
I got plenty of motivation.
Yeah.
So, bro, I never lived
Don't
like
doubt it.
this.
I'm the main character.
Oh. Yeah.
Nice. Reference to Pochita.
Uh-huh.
This dude Rocky has no nuts, bro. I am not getting up after that.
This song is like, has she bewitched everyone?
And he's so ready for it. He used it in boxing instead. Oh my God.
That shit got
That's
me.
amazing.
That's the biggest cheap shot in the world.
He's gonna show up to work next day with a steel codpiece.
Yeah, I'm done, bro.
Wow, the pain literally took him out.
I put a cigarette on him. It's like, alright.
Yeah.
You treat me like that, I'm like,
About a nut devil.
Well, I guess that's how they became cool. Kind of. Actually, no, maybe not.
Wonderful. He's like, fuck no. Oh my God! Yes, yes.
So he's
Let's meet all the
dad that
troublemakers.
is trying to.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
Big brother.
Cool.
He's really a dog, yeah.
Be able to leave that out.
He's like, you're not lying. Ooh.
Woof woof.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's the
Right.
special treatment.
Yeah.
He's kidnapped.
He's like,
Damn.
oh.
They made that
Wait,
agreement
wait,
though.
hold
She's
on.
like, either treat you like a human. Oh, yeah.
No, he's like, be a hunter.
It's like, hell yeah.
Yeah. That's
All right.
how
No risks.
living works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she said, remember when she brought him back, she said, Hunter, I'm gonna kill you right now.
Like as a devil.
Yep. He's in the mafia. It's
All right.
yeah.
Just a new.
Basically, she knows a lot
dress
more
up
about
You saw a pretty face, dude, and now you're yeah. She's not a good person.
He can't be a normal person
For life.
or live without her supervision.
Yeah, that's what it is.
He
It's
might
like,
scared he might wild out.
yeah.
But she said she doesn't
Right,
know.
right.
She's never
All
seen
right.
no shit
Cool.
So that's why she said, I'll take
say
you
that.
under my
Oh,
wing, like my
okay,
responsibility
okay.
type shit. I am your owner.
Ah, gotcha.
And fucking wait to just meet her anymore.
She's fascinating.
That's why he like her too.
She saves my life.
She saved my life, babe.
Her eyes are interesting too.
Yeah.
Or at least-
Yeah. And there he.
But like you see in
Who's genuinely surprised?
Oh, nah.
So many jams.
Boy, loves his jam, bro.
All on the one slice of bread.
overshadowed by everything else.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's sad, but
It's so sad, but
pun intended.
Shit possible.
That's his dream, bro.
yeah, it's just
That's
what?
a mess, bro.
What in
You know,
God's
sticky
name?
ends.
He's like a little kid.
He's really a dog.
He's gonna kill him. Yeah.
I've done that before, yo.
Worst roommate ever.
I'll see what I told her for sure.
I never.
I'm going to kill. Truly is a demon. Yes.
Nigga started.
Ugh.
That's funny.
See the written information.
Okay.
Like yeah, I got nothing being
A hatchet.
Yeah.
our public safety.
No.
A custody.
I'm gonna assume a devil. We'll
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
It said fiend.
Well.
That reminds me of Fire Force.
Like the nigga with the shark in the
Okay.
intro.
Well, it's actually
they can
he's
remind you of Shinra
his
and,
chainsaw
okay.
form. He does have a characteristic head.
No, he's not a
Oh, what the fuck, man?
So you can tell with the difference if their head looks like a.
He'd have different personality in his chainsaw form.
What a terrible little story we just witnessed.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he didn't even have to transform.
Because his devil powers are a bit extreme for one guy.
And he's been killing devils.
He's like,
He's
we
like,
don't have
okay.
time for that, bro.
Yeah. And then
He took care of it. What's the problem?
He
just doesn't want him to empathize with them.
okay.
They're people.
Nah, that's real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like don't take a chance, bro. No sympathy for these kind of people or these demons.
But still, like, he killed him. He
I
just
know,
did it
but
quick.
he underestimated that fiend. It could have been a stronger fiend.
True.
I twitch.
I adore him.
Oh, he's talking about Pooch.
Okay.
That was his only friend.
Yeah, and I feel Denji on that. Like, I did have a devil that was my best friend, yo.
Hey, did you double tap?
But these ain't devils. Dude.
Mandibles to twitch. Save the porn.
He's Patrick.
That's funny.
The porn is secure.
It's gonna take him a while to realize that.
When you had no freedom.
But listen to this. He didn't have any of it.
Well, I'm so happy for him.
Yeah. Friend.
Pooch.
Yeah, he's missing his best friend.
He want to find another purpose.
Purpose, you lack purpose.
Yeah, I rock with it.
I want to touch her.
You sure you just want the one
Boy, he's
porn
a
mag?
freak bull.
Yo.
It's like his life's so fulfilled that he wants to help somebody else fulfill their lives.
Yeah.
But if I keep training, then someday. But that's.
He practices decent moves.
Oh my god.
Willpower! With will fucking power! He's officially in willpower!
With the poster right behind. All of us is behind him. Yeah.
I love moves too.
Say that out loud.
Okay, cool. Alright. And it's not gonna be him.
Oh, Aki's not my partner?
Boy.
It's gonna be the horned girl.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, swing the lips.
I love her.
Oh, dang, it smells really
I
good.
love her. Her presence is
Oh, okay.
Shit,
Okay.
She's a fiend. So why the fuck was this other dude talking shit about fiends?
Power.
She was on the.
Oh my god, she's a chunie. Yeah. But she actually has power, and that's his name, Power.
I mean, you're a devil, so.
Boobs. Yeah, I accept. Yeah. Yes, she seems highly rational.
Wiping her nose.
Yeah, she'll slide somebody out.
Special team, that's what she said.
Okay.
Oh.
Cool.
way out.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh shit! So she'll get the same treatment. Put her ass down, bro. So she's a
Like
fiend.
leaning over.
Okay, so let's say like he turns into chainsaw thing, so the chainsaw just stayed there, then he'd be considered a fiend.
Isn't that why she's wearing a hoodie though?
What demons are we killing? Why are we killing them? Like,
It could be a headband or some clip to cover it.
Right.
Damn.
What?
Yo, she's hilarious.
Don't do it. Okay. Don't do it.
Yo, I love him, bro.
How do I get my hands on those boobs?
Okay. All right.
Yo,
Interesting.
you already seen it? It was getting ready to radio in. Oh, we got a couple doubles here.
they can smell you or something?
Eyes are
Oh
dope.
my god.
Kind of like fireflies. The eyes.
I wonder what her real thing is. Did she
Oh,
take over
wait,
like
she was a
nice
devil
girl's
first?
body and that's
Yeah, because the devil takes over a human body, and that's how you become a fiend.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
gave him the worst, like, most difficult member.
Uh-oh. It's a blood bank.
Because, like, if she's proud of them, he's doing
All right, free running already. Let's go.
Yeah, Evan could do this.
Oh.
Sea cucumber devil.
No, a sea cucumber devil.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
She's a proper Harley Quinn.
Oh, she a beast.
Boy from the heart.
Oh, she's crazy.
Of course, I was immediately gonna love this.
Is there anything that they say about
On second thought, touching
That might be a bit dangerous. Maybe a bit too much